Okay, hi everyone. So let's get right into it. So I'm using a blackish brownish liner. It's a dark brown. I get all of my liners from the dollar store. They're cheap. They're affordable. I don't think you should be using the expensive liner just for eyebrows. And always get the waterproof. So I'm just filling them in. As you can see, my brows are very thin. They're not full at all. They're very light. There's no shape to them at all. So all I am is just penciling them in. And I'm not doing long, so I'm doing short, steady um, tack strokes. Like I'm tacking, like if you're like hitting the hammer, you're just tacking. And I'm just going to do all that all the way through until it's my liking, until it looks like it's hair growing out of that area. I'm going to keep filling them in softly in short strokes as possible. And I mean, I've been doing my lashes for a long time. Not my lashes, my eyebrows for a long time. Okay, so there I am going in with a jet black liner. That's for the end of it to give it that ombre effect. And as you can see, I'm just doing steady strokes. I'm starting from somewhat a little bit before the middle, and I'm just fanning it out and just going into an arch. So yeah, I'm doing the same one on this one. I'm just gonna let you guys watch.
This what happen when I think about you. But girl, you playing so I don't think about you. Stop playing games so I can bring you around and brag about you. And you and me, I fuck you good, I put you in a better mood. This what happen when I think about you. But girl, you playing so I don't think about you. Stop playing games so I can bring you around and brag about you. And you and me, I fuck you good, I put you in a better mood. Yeah.
We could go run up a trap, baby. Oh, damn, yeah. AP on my neck and your wrist. Big house on the hills, I swear. You don't.
Okay, so another thing I want to say, when you get to the front, you just want to put lightly. You don't want to put a lot of pressure in the front of your eyebrow because it's going to look just like stamped, like somebody put on a marker. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the black. And as you can see, I'm just placing it right where like my arch starts, but there's no hair there because like I said, my eyebrows don't grow at all. I don't know what's going on. It's been like that since I was a child. My mom eyebrows are like that. And soft strokes, and as you can see, I'm just placing that arch, just basically, drawing in a imaginary line or drawing inside of imaginary arch. That's basically what I'm doing. And we just keep checking them out and whatever else. Okay, so now my eyebrows are straight, everything. I'm using JUVIAS Place, and I think that is in 7, and I think I'm using Crayon Case in 17. I'm going to mix those two colors together to give me a nice, I like a bold shape, outline, whatever you want to call it. I like a bold arch and all of that because I like when my eyebrows pop out because it makes my forehead look a little bit bigger. So yeah, all I'm doing is mixing those two colors to get together. I'm going to take a flat brush and basically clean up anything that I messed up, but it don't even look messed up. It just looks like, girl, them eyebrows are sharp to the T. But yeah, so I'm just mixing those together. Can you hurry up and mix this? Okay. And I'm just placing them, just clean them up, just give them a little bit more of a sharp effect, like I went and got them thread waxed and all that. So yeah, we're just going to clean them up right then and there. And I'm just going to let the video play.
I swear, oh yeah, but you ain't serious about this shit. Knowing what you want, you still don't care. Damn. What you want, you still don't care. I'ma sing to it like they be rough. Fat booty and them jeans be cuffed. Stop playing games, girl, let me cuff.
This what happen when I think about you. But girl, you playing so I don't think about you. Stop playing games so I can bring you around and brag about you. And you and me, I fuck you good, I put you in a better mood. This what happen when I think about you. But girl, you playing so I don't think about you. Stop playing games so I can bring you around and brag about you. And you and me, I fuck you good, I put you in a better mood. When you and me, I fuck you good, I put you in a better mood. Smoke a blunt and drop this dick on you, gon' change your attitude. Had us fucking on the couch, you didn't make it to the room. After wrong, smoke a blunt, baby, then we'll resume. Dick ain't had you acting different, even had you skipping school. Don't compare me to them niggas in your city, not them dudes.
Okay, now if you're like me, you don't have to use a lot of concealer. I just use a lot because I like a bold look, especially for girls who got small foreheads, it's close hairline like me. You don't have to use a lot, so but I mean, like I said, it's your preference, but you just want to make sure the eyebrow is really clean and is sharp and is, fulfilling. And then you just want to meet that inner line because you want them your eyebrows aren't supposed to look the same. They're sisters, they're not twins. You don't want them to look the same. So honestly, you just want to really just meet them up. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm gonna go in with a flat buffer brush, like not really flat, but it's like it's not really long. It gets to the point of flat buffer shading brush. That's what it's called from Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna shade and everything. I'm gonna bring everything down and just buff everything out. Make sure there's no lines. Make sure there's no cream that's still sitting. Just make sure everything is blended in well and drying well. And also, the reason why I'm actually bringing my concealer down is because I'm doing a cut crease glitter look, and that's going to be the second video that I'm going to post after this one. So it's going to come directly after this one, and I will be actually showing you different ways of how I do my eyebrows depending on what type of eyeshadow I'm using. So if I'm using a lot of color and whatnot, I wouldn't bring the concealer all the way down to my lid. I'll bring it to the point where it's supposed to be at. I'm not going to bring it all the way down my lid because I apply my eyeshadow base. But and I think I'm going to do another another eyebrow video of me using not pencils, but I'll be using powder eyeshadow. I also use the Smashbox Everything Eyes. I use that palette too to do stuff. But now I'm taking a beauty blender, and I'm just just beating everything in. Just make sure everything is pressed into the skin. That it's not going to be creasing. It's not going to be doing anything. Making sure that this doesn't move on me because I will be actually using this concealer as a base once again for my eyeshadow. So yeah, just pressing everything in, just making sure it's all just pressed in. But yeah, getting back to what I was saying, yes, so I will show you how I use eyeshadows to fill in my brows, and I will show you like the different techniques that I use depending on the eyeshadow looks that I'm going to do. It's about 3 different looks, so yeah, this is one of them. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sephora highlight and contour palette, and this is in dark. I'm using that first shade right there that I'm showing you, and I will be actually setting all of that, because with cream concealers you want to set because they will get cakey or they will get melty and they will move around. They will be leaking all over your eyebrows, child. You think somebody put candle wax in your face, baby. But yeah, and I'm gonna press that in. I'm using a eye bullet brush. I think I don't know if it was a Sephora brush. No, I think it's a Morphe eye bullet brush, and I love this brush. It's like my 3rd time using it. I just got it, and I be trying to use this brush for everything, knowing I can't. But and we're gonna press that powder into that concealer and just blend, just making sure that it is set and it will not move and it won't do anything, child, honey boo boo. So I'm gonna let you watch that.
Them dudes, I don't want another bitch taking from me how you do. Why you still playing games even what we been through? I can't even take you back cause now you ran through hella bitches on my dick, but my eyes was on you. Know this ain't about you, but you can wear the shoe, cause you know you did me dirty, can't put the blame on you.
Okay, and that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe below to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. The eyeshadow look will be coming up next. Bye guys.